Watch this full series at the links in the description below and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch new mental health videos every week.
I am untethered from my heavy, cloddish body and soar with the daring, stomach-lurching swoops and dips of those flying dreams I loved when I was young. I hover near that 11-year-old boy pacing outside a movie theater, wringing his hands as he tries to make sense of what just happened. He doesn't see me because he can't. I haven't happened yet. But I float up to his ear and whisper softly, so softly he can't hear it, but his heart feels it. You will be okay. You will grow to have an astounding life. Just hang on, banana. Just hang on. He looks at the clock on the wall and walks bravely back into the theater, back into the hell he just escaped. But he has a gift he doesn't yet know how to unwrap. I stand in the center of a running track. It's morning and I watch that young man bolt from a cafeteria. He's trying to outrun his fear. I shake my head. He doesn't yet understand that wherever he goes, fear is. He hasn't figured out that fear topples in the face of authenticity and truth. You must become your real self, imperfect and glorious, I thrum into his burning lungs. Only then will you be able to stop running. But he's too frantic, screaming at the sky, cursing God as if it were his fault that this happened, pleading to be healed. I plunge my hand into his gut and plant a small seed of quiet. It's too tiny for him to notice, but it will take root. It will grow, I assure him, although all he hears is his hoarse shouts. And you will eventually have the courage to be yourself, to love the way you were born to, and you will persist, I promise. That man, now a few years older, lies restless in bed. His head is full of guns, pills, and nooses. The threat of death comforts him. I lie down beside him. I spoon him. He too can't see me, but he feels something. He's too exquisitely sensitive not to. I take my fingers and comb them down his body, untangling his exhausted and depleted nerves. Death is not yours to choose, I tell him. He thinks of a smiling face of pills. He imagines swallowing them, but I stop him from taking all of them. It's not your time. He struggles and cries. The relief of death is so seductive, he just wants to let go and float down into dark, cold water until he is no longer. But he grows sleepy because of my stroking. He doesn't know it yet, but sleep will always, always be his greatest gift. It was the gift he once didn't know how to unwrap. He is learning. Last, I stand next to the same man, fully grown, in love, and out of his mind. He shits his pants. He abandons his one true love. He wants to give up. He believes incorrectly that he has succumbed to his enemy. What he doesn't know is I have been whispering in his ear for years. You are not at fault. Your body, your DNA is to blame. And like a mantra, I sing, manic depression, manic depression, manic depression. He doesn't hear, and I persist, manic depression, manic depression. One day out of the blue, while at the stove cooking too much food for too few guests, he tells his beloved, I know what's wrong with me. Joyous, I kiss this man gently on the lips. He finally knows I'm here, understands. I have always been here, but he waves me off. He is too excited about the possibilities.
What does that mean?
I always wanted to go back and comfort that child and comfort that young man and tell them it was going to be okay. And of course, how do you do that? And then I thought about the epilogue and I thought I can do it in print. I can go back to myself and I can comfort myself. And it's a testament to the strength of the spirit, of all of our spirits. And the idea that persist. You don't know what you're going to miss out if you don't persist. I had no role models, so I gave myself a role model, which was myself.
The way I accepted that, heard that, was that inside of all of us is the real, authentic you, the you with the capital Y.
Yeah.
And we're born that you, and it's always inside of us, even if it is just that seed that you can't tell, or that whispering that doesn't make you take all of the pills. And our job is to get back and find that person.
That's exactly.
And when that person is there, it's what you just showed us, that relief, that the tears of, I call these tears of happiness, because you're back.
Yeah.
That person comforting that boy, you, is here now. That's it.
And I'm a product of all of that.
Yes.
That's why I would never, ever trade it for the world.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you just saw, then why not subscribe? Click right here for new episodes and new series every week. And to access exclusive mental health videos that we only release at MedCircle.com, check out the links below.